it's a country of 1.4 billion people, and 1.4 billion people is a significant proportion of the population of the world. And if China gets out of poverty, because by this year, China, from what it has done, will achieve goal number 1, which is a very important goal. The world as a whole will have been improved. China achieved goal 1. This is a major contribution to the world. Have poverty eradicated 10 years ahead is a very important achievement. What I was happy about was the establishment of a whole agency given power to suggest policies and to monitor policies and implementation of policies to monitor poverty eradication and to see which measures worked across the country. The most important thing is for all countries, big and small, to appreciate that we can contribute to peace and security in the world. And the best way to solve our common problems is multilateral effort. That is the foundation that we operate within rules that we set for ourselves.